Alright, so we're gonna go to Cozumel on a tour. So let's go on a tour with me to Cozumel to see what it's like. Alright, so after you get your ticket, now you gotta walk in line to wait to get on the ferry. It leaves every 30 minutes. So we're walking now to go get your space in line so you can get on the ferry and get to sit wherever you want. You can sit up top. It's a lot of sun out now, so if you don't mind that and get in tan, you can sit on the rooftop. If you want it air conditioned, you can sit down below. I think I want it air conditioned, but I don't know yet. Yep, that is the beach right there. Playa car. Now that we're on the other side, it looks so much different, right? Looks beautiful. ¿Dónde va?
A Cozumel.
¿Cozumel? Ah, ¿qué es eso? ¿Qué lugar es eso?
It's an island.
¿Es un island?
Yes.
¿Dónde estás?
Playa del Carmen.
¿Seguro? ¿O quién te-
Allá.
¿Es allá? Okay. Oh, we arrived and it's raining. I hope it's not for all day to rain. But now we are here in Cozumel. Alright, so we are in the central.
hacemos el pitón más chico. Si lo jalo del strap de la parte de acá, hago el pitón más grande. ¿Estamos de acuerdo? Traen ambos lados para colocarlo, amigos. Lo ponemos de esta forma, el pitón sale. peces, los lugares son las horas de descanso. Bajo, porque la banda no está plantada. Okay.
Vamos amigos, ¿eh? Tiene que poner...
I'm gonna put this on.
Yes.
Pero sí lo recuperamos.
Ah, gracias.
Best friend, we get alcohol in there?
Yes, mon ami. Do you want some?
Yeah, I'll take one.
Beer or margarita?
Margarita.
Margarita. There you go.
Abi hizmet gösteriyor adam.
Okay. Let's gonna do this.
Şey yapmış.
There you go, my friend.
Ne koymuş? Kola var. Şey var.
Look at it. 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 There you go.
Perfecto.
Señor, you want some?
No, thank you so much.
No. You don't drink.
Vamos a la orilla para poderlo poner.
Ah, bueno.
All right. Now we finish swimming in the shallow part of the sea. Get all the free margarita. Well, it's not free, it's all included. Margarita and beer. Now we gotta go back to Cozumel. Sunset behind us. We arrived back. It is 6:40 p.m. here in Cozumel. Now we on our way back. We just got back actually. I mean, everything was good. I wish it was just a little bit more longer in the shallow area of the water in the beach. Could stay a little bit longer. But overall it was good. Ceviche was okay. But with some hot sauce, it was amazing. And unlimited alcohol, which is the margarita, and unlimited beer. That wasn't bad at all. We will get drunk pretty quick, believe it or not. Alright? So until next time, vámonos.